Hey everyone, really quickly, I'm going to show you how to set up the iPhone 17. So first, as you take it out of the box, you want to go ahead and turn it on by pressing on the side button. Then it's going to say hello to you, so simply just swipe up, and then we're going to go ahead and select English. And then we're just going to fill out these questions to the best of our ability. So select your country or region. We're going to select the United States. And then as far as appearance goes, you can set default, medium, or large. We're just going to click default. Now, as far as quickly setting up your phone, okay, so what's going to happen is that it's going to start to look for nearby devices. So you can bring your current iPhone or iPad near your iPhone to sign into your Apple account and get set up. So we're going to wait until it actually finds my iPhone that I'm currently filming on. And I'll touch base back with you as far as what to do afterwards. But as it starts to look for nearby devices, what I could actually do is that I'm actually going to bring my iPad near it. So give me 1 second. So you can see as I brought my iPad near, it says set up your new phone. This will transfer your current settings. We're going to go ahead and unlock it. So the settings should be pretty much the same if you're using an iPhone as well. So it's asking for Touch ID. So there we go. Now let's go ahead and wait to see what happens. So right now it's looking for nearby devices and we're on our iPad. We had the menu pop up before. So let's go ahead and turn it off actually. There we go. Unlock to continue. So we're going to click on that and then we're going to go ahead and unlock it. So we're going to try it again. So we're going to do it again. So turn it off, then unlock to continue. And Touch ID for setup. So now it's going to ask you to hold your new iPhone to the camera, okay? So you need to position this circle to the iPhone. Hopefully you guys can see this here. So there you have it. So now it's getting things ready. And now it's asking to keep this iPhone near your iPad while setting up. So it's now asking a new question where use your Apple account to set up your new iPhone. We're going to click on set up for me. And now it's saying to keep this. And now it's asking for a passcode on my iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and enter the passcode. And now it's setting up on my iPhone and it's also setting up on my iPad now. So basically I just had to keep on unlocking it. And then my iPad took a picture of like a circular globe that was appearing on the iPhone. But it looks like we're just waiting a couple minutes now. So now it's setting up the cellular network.